and Tristan Taylor, and I collect padlocks. I love padlocks because I can keep my stuff safe and nice and secure. I do not know how many padlocks I have. I got too many to count. All of these. There they go. This is how many padlocks I have. I keep collecting padlocks because I love them so much. Oh well, I keep all my keys on this lanyard that I made out of macrame. And it's my school colours. I can hypnotize you. Might be a locksmith one day. These are my favourite padlocks. This one's a fingerprint one. It scans your finger to open. And this one also scans your finger. Did it first try. And I like this padlock because it's gold colour. And this one has a weird type of key. Because all the other locks have like keyholes like that. And this one has a keyhole like that. Extra slate at top security. I like this one because it has my name on it and my carer Linda gave it to me for Christmas. It is the most special one I have. Is it this one? This is an old gate lock. It's from the 1800s. It does work if I can get it open. There we go. Now it's locked. I got it from Tire Antique Shop. Stuff right now. What's all this old stuff, son? I get that for Cassie gear. I already have one like that. Nah. No. I already got 5 padlocks like this. I'll get both of these. Oh, I got some padlocks. So in this case, there's earphones in here, headphones, and of course I do lock it up. I keep everything safe with locks, including my headphones. Here they are, good. Fake came up earphones. These headphones, and of course, AirPods. I'm leaving. That's it. What I want to say.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah. I'm finished.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I could be a locksmith. I could. Well, that would be quite cool. Blah. These pockets are quite big. I can fit every single lock in here. You can end it now. You can end it.